This is our kitchen, and like much of the rest of the house, it is almost done but not quite. Nicest thing about it is that balcony with its wide open, gorgeous views. And the balcony doesn't get rain lashed even in the monsoon, so I think we'll be able to spend a lot of time out there. The cabinetry, the carcass is in, which is great. That feels like progress. I splashed a fair amount of cash from my perspective. I splashed a fair amount of cash and went for a big kitchen company. And I was hoping for a stress-free, smooth, pleasant experience. Unfortunately, it's just proving really stressful now because they've made some basic errors like that sink, the sink they brought, which is not the sink in there. The sink they brought was too big, the cutout is too small, so the sink wouldn't go in. So they couldn't, it can't be fitted. So I've had to rush out and look in this place where everything is really difficult to get because it's so remote. I've had to rush around looking for a sink that'll fit, which hopefully I've done. I had a technical question about that hob cutout, about the support that the integrated hob would get. And the questions have just not been welcome, and all too often it's like, you know, we've done many kitchens before, so we can do this. There's nothing special about your kitchen. Anyway, I hope they're able to fix it. The head guy is nice, so he'll hopefully make it come right somehow. On the plus side, I'm quite happy with my tile work. If I were doing it again, I might do it slightly differently, but it's really cheerful. Another really special thing in this kitchen is this table. It's made of teak, we think, and it came from my father's ancestral home in Palakkad. And it's what I used to eat meals at when I was a teeny tiny thing, when we went there visiting grandparents for our summer vacations. And my father says he used to eat his meals at this table when he was a teeny tiny thing. So that's lasted about 100 years, we think. And I'll get it polished and refurbished, and it'll just be such a lovely thing to have here. Just huge sentimental value.